Hello, hi, welcome to crossblogX TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below, and please don't forget to always check on notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about my beautiful queen, my gorgeous lady, my gorgeous queen, Mama Tadenikawo. Hey, Queen Naomi Shilekunola. Hey, hey, hey. Prophetess. Hey, oh my God. Ejo. Nobody can fit that. Because out of all the wives Ooni of Ife has gotten married to, nobody fits that role. Nobody fits that role, that space of my beautiful queen Naomi Shilekunola. Ẹ̀yin jẹ́ Olódùmarè, beautiful, naturally endowed, not too much makeup, no earring, you know, the confidence is just there. The lady full of wisdom. Oh my God, I love her so much. Just check out in this video. Hey, see the corset dress. Mama package ni. My gorgeous queen, she packaged all the way. Look at the corset dress. See the smile. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love her look. I love that smile. Please drop a comment down below. I know we have a lot of Naomi's sisters, aunties, mother, lovers, sweethearts on our platform. Please drop a comment down below. Look at Queen Naomi, gorgeously dressed, stepping out as usual. Omo, mama no go die unless to bad go. She dey fine dey go. As she's growing, she's getting beautiful. You know, ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn kan míì wà tó bá bí wọn, wọ́n máa ń fine tó ṣe ń dàgbà, wọ́n máa fine sí, wọ́n máa fine sí, wọ́n máa fine sí títí tó máa fi darúgbó. And we can tell that that is true. It's gonna happen to Naomi because you can see her mom. Her mom is beautiful too. Her mom is beautiful. She's not aging. She's growing and she's beautiful. See Queen Naomi in this beautiful corset dress, navy blue, with a bit of dark navy sequence. Okon daso ni. Ayaba Ogunwusi Mama Tadenikawo temi nikan. She doesn't fix nails. She's too natural. I just love her. See the backside. Wow. In this other picture too. Hey, beauty runs in that family. Egbabe. See the way the mother looks. See the daughter. Well, I know our king has moved on. He's got beautiful wives. He's enjoying his life. And my queen Naomi Shilekunola too, she has moved on. Talk about Connie, Abibi your koko, you still need to look good for yourself. And I always say, please, our mental health is very important. Anything that makes you happy, do it. If you like going out, dress nice, make your hair look good, just go out and have fun. Yeah, we have a lot of single mothers on the platform there. They're still living their life, they are still moving on, doing their things. So why not? Gbogbo wa náà ni kádàrá sọ pé ọmọ marry, àbí gbogbo wa náà ni kádàrá sọ pé àní marry. Bólúkálùkù ṣe yàn yàtọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Please drop a comment down below. What do you think? Bólúkálùkù ṣe yàn yàtọ̀ bí Queen Naomi ti ṣe yàn tiẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. And she's doing good. I'm sure she has never regretted anything. She has never regretted anything. I know a lot of people say, if not for Ogunwusi, who is Queen Naomi? And it is destined that Naomi Magbali Oba Koja, and she's doing well. She can't kill herself. It doesn't work. Yes, we have so many women in Europe that their husband brought them abroad to jẹ́ pé family wọn kankan ìran wọn kankan ò dé ìlú òyìnbó rí. And we have likes of women that brought men to London or America or Europe that ìran wọn kankan ò dé ìlú òyìnbó rí. And at the end of the day, the same woman iná ló tún lé ọkọ ẹ̀ jáde nílùú òyìnbó. Ọlọ́run ti sọ pé ìyẹn ló máa wọ ọkọ ẹ̀ wá sílùú òyìnbó. So be like this. We shouldn't be judging people with their own life. We think the way things work for them, the way things work for A might not work for B. So regardless, we should be happy for life, for the gift of life. And we're doing good for ourselves. Yes, So people should stop, haters should stop talking about Queen Naomi, that if not for Obogunwusi, there's nobody like Naomi. Please, if it's destined, it's destined. So God has destined it. You know, enter Atikori Ademo, Atikori Ademo. So there's nothing that can be done. That is why Ọlọ́run fi gbórí adé sí Queen Naomi níkù. Naomi ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá pé òun ló máa bí àrólé Oòduà Tádéníkàwò. So it's been destined, and I'm sure God has showed her being a prophetess, and that's why she has moved on with her life. You know, that name alone self na ṣẹ̀rù bà wọ́n. Ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá. So báwo ni ilẹ̀kùn ọlá ò ṣe ní ṣí fún? And that's why we should be mindful of the kind of names we give to our children. Please drop a comment down below. We should be mindful, because àwọn orúkọ kan máa ń tẹ̀lé èèyàn. Yes, they follow you wherever you go. Ó lè má jẹ́ láti kékeré, ó lè jẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ certain age kan ni àwọn màlẹ́kà ni àwọn orúkọ yẹn máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn. So, and it has worked for Olórí Naomi Ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá. You know, she ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá to the Ooni of Ife, Ọba Ogunwusi's heart. She ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá ó bí àrólé. She ṣílẹ̀kùn ọlá, she has achieved a lot of things. You know, she has orúkọ ẹ̀ ti lọ gan. Oh, she's making her money. So what is it? What can the haters, please let this woman rest, abeg. Please drop a comment down below what you think. You know, at the end of the day, Oba has gone in separate ways. Queen Naomi has gone in separate ways. So whatever will be, will be. There's nothing that can be done. You know, people will really get matter on your Ife and a wife. Queen Naomi, wọ́n para wọn sí, you know, àwọn tó lọ́rọ̀ gan gbé sórí bí our online in-laws and you know, all the bloggers. Wọ́n ti fọwọ́ síwèé, you know, so you people should just leave them, let them rest, let them enjoy their life the way they can. Yes, please drop a comment down below. Thank you so much from crossblogX TV. Thank you for all your likes and share. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned.